What is going on, everybody? Been a while since I've been in the grow room, but we're back. It's official. I'm back. So we have 4 3-gallon pots here. What we're going to start here is we got some Happy Frog and the Ocean Forest, and I'm going to do probably a 60-40. I'm going to layer the bottom of these. These are the 3-gallon pots, and I'm going to layer these about 40% of the Ocean Forest over there because it's hot. And I'm going to put the Happy Frog on the top. These are going to be some autos. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started up. And we're going to be using the 2x4 over there. So we're going to go ahead and get them in there. And we'll be back with you in a minute after we get this all set up. All right, everybody. I got these loaded up here. So again, I have 4 of these. I put them on the auto basis. They're just off the ground because I need more of those drip trays. I don't have them. So this is just temporary until I get these ladies started here. But just to get everybody up to par here, I have this under the Spider Farmer G4500 series. I'm going to be doing 2 American Gangsters from 123 Fat Buds himself. I still had a couple of those beans left there, so I'm going to go ahead and get those going. And then I also have from another local guy, some Tangy autos. So I'm going to do 2 Tangies, and I'm going to do 2 American Gangsters, and we're going to run them under the G4500 series here in the Vivasun 2x4. Okay, we got that hooked up to the hub here for the automation purposes, and get this growth started. It's been a long time coming. I've had a lot of things going on with me. Some bad health scares, some health issues. Appreciate everybody supporting the channel and coming by, dropping your support, man. It really means a lot to me. But we're going to go ahead and get some planted in here. Get them watered in. And get this run started. So, yeah, that's what the goal is for today. It is Wednesday, April 8th. I'll probably post this maybe tomorrow, this video. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get these started. These ladies, like I said, it's going to be 2 American Gangsters and 2 Tangies. I did do the 60-40-ish. So bottom half is Ocean Forest, 40% on each pot. Top half is Happy Frog. Keep it nice and mild for these ladies. They're temperamental. That's how they roll. And we're going to go ahead and get them started in the 3 gallons this time and see what happens. Usually I run the 5 gallons, but, you know, it is what it is. I'm just trying something different here. I like to experiment and see if they'll stay small, see if they'll grow big. We'll see. We're going to see what happens. But we're going to go ahead and get them planted on in the soil, get them watered in, and we will be back again in one moment. And we are back. That's that movie magic. It happens instantaneously. Yeah, so go over this one more time. Yeah, the 2 American Gangsters, we got those. Those are watered in and ready to go. And then the Tangies over here are some Tangy and G13 Cross. So that's what's going in there. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and see what's going on. I have the light here set at about 150, between 150 200 par, real low, PPFD. Do have the humidity cranked up at the moment. I could get some domes on here just to maintain humidity. But like I said, I had this cranked up here. Got the humidifier cranked up, pumping out, keeping them nice and moist in here. Plenty of circulation going, and yeah, so we're off to an all right start here, but we got to see what's going to happen, and keeping my fingers crossed. I did have these before from Rick, man. Those are great, so I appreciate it, brother. I still had these, and I figured why not run them. So yeah, that's the plan, and we'll touch base with you guys here in about a week on this. I do have some stuff in the 4x4 going. I almost murdered it because it was in there when I went to the hospital. A lot of things stretched, and they almost died, and everything in there is in recovery. I'll show you what's going on in there very soon. But I wanted to jump into here. I got the fresh start going here, and yeah, that's about it. So I hope everyone has a great day. Again, I appreciate everybody, each and every last one of my supporters. Thank you so much. And like I always say, we will catch you on the next one.